what's up? It's Katie here and welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a quick, easy recipe that you can do for lunch, dinner, you can meal prep it, and it's really awesome because it's going to be a high protein quinoa bowl. We got quinoa, chicken, lentils, all of those ingredients are really high protein, so it's gonna be really good for you, maybe after a workout, or if you just did a really hard, intense HIIT workout that day. Make sure to check out some links below of some intense HIIT cardio workouts if you guys want them. But let's get right into the recipe. I already cooked the quinoa and the chicken for you because I'm gonna save you that time. The quinoa I just did according to the package. Sometimes I do a little bit of diced onions in the quinoa as well and add a little bit more water so it has that good moisture taste to it. Then I already grilled the chicken. All I did was grill the chicken in olive oil, a little bit of Lorry salt and pepper. So chopped it up nice and fine. And then over here I have some olive oil, some lentils, an avocado, and some red cherry tomatoes. So here it is, your quick, easy quinoa bowl. All I'm gonna do is take some of this quinoa, place it in the bowl. It's almost like a Chipotle burrito bowl. You can kind of make your own style. And then instead of butter, but to give it that nice ricey, flavory taste, like a little bit risotto-y, I'm gonna just sprinkle it with a little bit of the olive oil to give it a little bit of more moisture. Then take this grilled chicken and top it on top of the quinoa as much as you like. Take these lentils, so good for you, such high protein, great if you are, losing energy midday, so you need a lunch pick-me-up, perfect ingredient. Dump them on top of the chicken just like that. They have a bean flavor. Then I'm going to take these cherry tomatoes, cut them up, and place them in the bowl. And then we got some avocado, such a good healthy fat. And it's the best feeling ever when you have the most perfect avocado. It just makes my day. So good and ripe. Maybe I'm just trying to be honest. Looking so good. I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit more olive oil on top and some salt and pepper. But what I do love to add to this is like a champagne vinaigrette or even balsamic vinegar. I think it just gives it such a great flavor. Also, if you guys are wanting to add a little bit of cheese on this, either feta or Parmesan is so good. Right now, currently, I am dairy free. I literally started like 2 days ago. We'll see how long it lasts. So I'm not adding cheese to mine, but it's really, really yummy with cheese. So this is a quick, easy quinoa bowl that you can do. Great for meal prep, great for a quick lunch to pack to school, to pack to work, great for dinner, and high protein. And so simple. I mean, that is only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ingredients. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this quick, easy recipe. Stay tuned for more. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Make sure to check out getfitwithkatie.com for so many more recipes, workouts, daily tips, everything like that on getfitwithkatie.com. Bye guys.